Last night I sat alone. The room was quiet. The rain touched the window softly. And I suddenly thought, yesterday changed me a little. Today is changing me now. And tomorrow is waiting for me. Maybe you know this feeling. You want to improve. But you feel slow sometimes. You try again. Then you stop. Then you try again. And quietly, something inside you grows. Hey. Welcome to English Shadowing Lab. I'm Maria. Repeat with me. Don't think. Just speak. You do not need perfect English. You do not need perfect grammar. You only need to repeat. Mistakes are normal. Your confidence will grow slowly. Now, the real practice begins. Listen first. Follow my voice. Do not rush. Relax your body. Take a deep breath. And let's begin. Yesterday, I woke up tired. The morning felt very quiet. I looked at my phone. It was still early. For a moment, I stayed still. I did not want to move. I felt heavy inside. Not sad exactly. Just a little lost. Maybe you know that feeling. You wake up with plans, but your heart feels slow. I sat on my bed. I took one deep breath. Then I said to myself, just start small today. So I washed my face. The water felt cold. It helped me wake up. I made my coffee slowly. The cup was warm. Steam moved above the coffee. Outside, the sky looked gray. Rain touched the window softly. I watched it for a moment. Then I opened my notebook. I wrote one simple sentence. Yesterday, I tried again. It was a small sentence, but it felt important. I said it quietly. Yesterday, I tried again. Then I repeated it slowly. Yesterday, I tried again. My voice was not perfect, but it was my voice, and that was enough. Later, I made breakfast. I ate something simple. I did not rush. I wanted a calm morning. I looked around the room. Everything felt normal, but my mind was busy. I thought about my goals. I thought about English. I thought about speaking better. And honestly, I felt nervous. I wanted to speak, but I was afraid sometimes. Afraid of mistakes. Afraid of forgetting words. Afraid of sounding strange. Then I smiled a little. Because everyone starts somewhere. Yesterday was not perfect. But yesterday gave me practice. I listened to easy English. I repeated short sentences. I spoke slowly and softly. Sometimes I stopped. Sometimes I started again. I made many small mistakes. But I did not quit. That mattered most. In the evening, I sat here. The studio lights were warm. The microphone was in front of me. My headphones felt comfortable. The coffee cup was beside me. The window looked foggy. Street lights moved outside. Buses passed slowly in the rain. Everything felt peaceful. I opened my notebook again. I read my sentence. Yesterday I tried again. Then I added another sentence. Today I am still trying. And then something changed. I did not feel strong, but I felt honest. I was not perfect, but I was present. That was enough for yesterday. Today I am here now. I am sitting with you. The room feels warm. The light is soft. The microphone is close. My coffee is still warm. I can hear quiet rain. I can see soft streetlights. And I feel calm today. Today I speak slowly. Today I breathe deeply. Today I do not hurry. I am practicing with you. You are practicing with me. We are not studying hard. We are speaking gently. We are training our mouths. We are training our ears. We are building confidence slowly. Today I feel different. Not because everything is easy, but because I showed up. I came back to practice. That is a powerful thing. You came back too. Maybe you are tired today. Maybe your day was long. Maybe your English feels weak. But you are here now. And that means something. Say this with me. I am here now. I am practicing today. I am learning slowly. I am getting better. I do not need perfection. I only need practice. Good, say it again. I am here now. I am practicing today. I am learning slowly. I am getting better. I do not need perfection. I only need practice. That feels simple. But simple things work. Small words become strong words. Small practice becomes real progress. Today I am choosing patience. I am choosing calm effort. I am choosing my own pace. I am not comparing myself. I am not blaming myself. I am not giving up. I am speaking one sentence. Then another sentence. Then another sentence. This is how confidence grows. Not all at once. Not in one day. But little by little. Today I remember yesterday. Yesterday I felt nervous. Today I feel more ready. Yesterday I spoke quietly. Today I speak more clearly. Yesterday I made mistakes. Today I learn from them. Yesterday I tried again. Today I continue. And tomorrow will bring another chance. Tomorrow I will wake up early. I will open my eyes calmly. I will breathe before moving. I will start with one small step. I will wash my face. I will make my coffee. I will sit quietly again. I will open my notebook. I will write one sentence. Tomorrow I will speak better. Maybe only a little better. But that is still better. I am going to practice again. I am going to repeat slowly. I am going to listen carefully. I am going to record my voice. Maybe I will feel shy. That is okay. Maybe I will make mistakes. That is normal. Maybe I will forget words. That happens to everyone. But I will not stop. I will smile softly. I will take a breath. I will try one more time. Tomorrow I will be kinder. Kinder to my voice. Kinder to my mistakes. Kinder to my progress. I am going to remember this. My goal is not perfect English. My goal is real confidence. My goal is daily courage. My goal is speaking again. Every morning can help me. Every evening can teach me. Every sentence can build me. Every mistake can guide me. Yesterday taught me patience. Today gives me practice. Tomorrow will give me hope. Say this with me. Yesterday taught me patience. Today gives me practice. Tomorrow will give me hope. Again, slowly. Yesterday taught me patience. Today gives me practice. Tomorrow will give me hope. Beautiful. Now keep your voice soft. Keep your body relaxed. Let the words feel natural. I woke up yesterday. I am practicing today. I will improve tomorrow. I felt nervous yesterday. I feel calmer today. I will feel stronger tomorrow. I made mistakes yesterday. I learned today. I will speak better tomorrow. I tried again yesterday. I continue today. I will not give up tomorrow. This is your rhythm, past, present, future. Yesterday I tried. Today I practice. Tomorrow I will grow. Say it again. Yesterday I tried. Today I practice. Tomorrow I will grow. And again. Yesterday I tried. Today I practice. Tomorrow I will grow. Good. You are doing enough. You are not behind. You are not too late. You are not starting wrong. You are simply learning. And learning takes time. So come back tomorrow. Repeat this video again. Practice when you feel ready. Practice when you feel tired. Practice when you feel shy. Your confidence will not shout. It will grow quietly. Like morning light, like soft rain, like one warm sentence, spoken again and again. Before we finish, remember this. Yesterday is already gone. Today is in your hands. Tomorrow is still open. You can begin again. You can speak again. You can grow again. Follow English Shadowing Lab. Come back and practice with me. I will be here. Calmly. Softly. One sentence at a time. Small practice every day makes big progress.